And AJ, I haven't even got no sleep, bro. And you already picked me up. What do we got going on now, bro?
My friend, I told you so many times. Early bird gets the worm. You gotta be quick with it. I told you. We're gonna go get the Lamborghini, bring it back. After we're done with the Lamborghini, we gotta go pick up a track car. You forgot about this? I told you this last week.
Kinda got stuck editing at night.
You always gotta be on go mode.
We're in the tow truck. We're on the way to Kentucky.
Same thing with me. I went to sleep around 2 o'clock, woke up at 7. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's cool, bro.
Is this the way we're going?
Yes.
We're going to Kentucky. Stay tuned on this ride. You got anything else to say, AJ?
We're picking it up from the track.
Oh, we're going to the track?
Yeah, we're going to the track spot right now.
Hey, we don't know. We might start it, just rip off the parts and just start hitting it, huh?
I can't tell you all that now.
La vida loca, nobody find it's a Coca-Cola. Hold on, no one no sleep and I swear to total. Throwing it back when I press rewind, losing my mind when she sees
sentir el calor, quédate conmigo hasta que salga el sol. Vamos a la playa a sentir el calor, quédate conmigo hasta que salga el sol. Vamos a la playa, vamos a la playa, vamos a la playa a sentir el calor.
Tow truck getting at it. AJ's getting loaded. Let's check it out.
It broke off from the frame rails. But you know these frame rails are like extended. So it's got pelt bond in the middle and it comes off.
I don't know any way to open the doors like from the strap.
The better, yeah. No, I don't want to hold y'all up. Yeah, we're gonna have fun with it. We're gonna put it back together. Yeah.
Or something.
Yeah, we're just gonna put it. They buy merch and we're gonna give it away.
They gonna buy
after you fix it
stuff, and then they enter it basically.
Yeah, we're gonna fix it, rebuild it, and then.
Y'all gonna be able to watch it too if y'all just check it on YouTube. You can see this baby.
So what all do y'all do on this YouTube channel?
Everything.
All your cars and stuff?
No, not all the cars, just certain kind of cars. Like we picked up a Lamborghini yesterday.
You do a lot of sports cars?
Yeah.
You need to get his thing.
Yeah, send me a link to that.
Yeah, I will.
Check it out, subscribe to it.
This is the guy that wrecked it on the track.
So how?
What happened?
So that's the part I don't know because I've got a lot of experience at this track, but I lost it coming out of turn 23. And I think it could be the tires were a little old, so I left them
I was
outside.
gonna say it looked like it touched that side, and then it just lost it.
Yeah, we seen the video.
Yeah, that's the same line that I've always ran, but the tires set in the enclosed trailer, even though they weren't that old, but they were still going through heat cycles.
This is
Right.
our home track though. We've been here.
Yeah,
I mean, there's
can
no
tell.
telling how many times.
Yeah.
But these, I
This
think
don't mean nothing. We'll see the next one.
Oh, you got some nice
What are
collection.
you gonna get?
We have a Camaro
I
sitting there
really
that
want
we've
to
had
get
for
a
a couple years.
ZR1, but it's just like right now they're like trying to get stupid over sticker for 100.
Oh, you want the new ones?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna pay it. I may pay like 30 grand over sticker, but I'm not gonna pay
Man,
100.
Hey, we might find you one.
Yeah, he can find stuff. That Urus we drove yesterday, man, it looked beautiful. Yellow on yellow.
I'll tell you, when I bought the car, it had 1,600 miles on it. It had close to 6,000 miles as all track miles. So I had
I like the old.
at least 4,000 miles on probably this
How
range.
many miles did you buy it with?
When I got it, it had 1,600. And it's got,
Oh,
it's got
wow.
6,000.
It's got over 6,000.
It's got like 5,800, you told me. Okay,
We're gonna run up here real quick.
no problem.
So one of y'all will be winning this Corvette. All you gotta do is buy merch from Rebuild Pros, and you will be entered to win supercharged Corvette. So go support, buy some merch, and let us know what you want to see next on Rebuild Pros. Let's get it. Now it's time to put it on the tow truck. We'll see y'all later. What are you doing now?
Put the handbrake in. Look at them all. Look at them all. 5,900 miles. Okay, it's off.
Tying it from the wheels. Got the handbrake off, and we're putting it on the tow truck. Everybody thinks we wrecked the Corvette, y'all.
This is the one we bought. Yeah. Nah, we just gotta go buff it right now. I didn't do nothing.
We just got a buffet. Headed back, we went to Buc-ee's. I got me a little chicken sandwich and he got a little chopped, what was it, a chopped brisket? How was it?
It was really good.
You was finna get another
I was
one.
gonna get another one, but nah, I'm on a diet.
Yeah, I can tell that I need to get on a diet. But y'all see it, we're getting back, we're getting safe. We got the Corvette strapped on, that beautiful bed.